Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a Poshmark account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Poshmark account, start by opening the Poshmark app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, look for the settings option and tap on it. Scroll down to find the account section. Tap on account to access further options. Next, locate the delete account option. After tapping delete account, you will be prompted to enter a reason for leaving. Choose the reason that best describes your decision to cancel. Once you have selected a reason, confirm your choice by tapping the delete account button again. You may be asked to verify your identity through a confirmation email. Check your email for a confirmation message from Poshmark. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the cancellation process. Once completed, you will receive a notification that your account has been successfully deleted. Remember, this action cannot be undone, and all your data will be lost. It's recommended to withdraw any pending payments before proceeding with account cancellation. That's it. Your Poshmark account is now cancelled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.